because you're not aware of such blessings that you're living today. For example, the Imam says, "Oh Allah, how many people have become fugitives around the world, running away. They don't have a home. They don't feel safe. I have a home. I feel safe. I thank you for that. Oh Allah, how many people are being chased by the enemies. They don't know if they're going to live the next day or not. And I don't have to deal with that, so I thank you for that. How many people are suffering from injuries? How many people are suffering from illnesses? How many people are hungry and not being able to eat? How many people are desperate to look at the face of their children, but they're kept away from them? But I am blessed by you not to be in any of those situations. Oh Allah, allow me to constantly remind myself of such blessings.